the rollover utilizing the Pilates ring. So as with everything that we've been doing, when we're laying down on the floor, think of your shoulders down and back. You're bracing in from the rib cage, not the navel. Think of the ribs. The ribs go in enough that you cannot stick your fingers underneath your rib cage. It's all nice and tight there. At the same time, too, your pubic bone and the upper edge of your pelvis are parallel to the floor so that your tailbone is not in the air. It's actually pressing down, which gives you a natural curvature. This is okay as long as your rib cage is in, because this is what's going to keep this part strong. Now from there, we will be placing the Pilates ring right inside the ankles and basically giving a little bit of resistance in, which is going to engage your inner thighs. Shoulders are back and down. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly bring your legs up and over. Now think of your spine up from your shoulders. Allow your spine to come down one vertebra at a time. And as you're setting your spine down, you're squeezing the rib cage in even more and pressing your shoulders back towards the mat. And then press your tailbone all the way down. You can lower your legs. And now again, keeping the ribs tight, squeeze up and bring the legs up and over. Shoulder blades stay against the mat. Slowly set your spine down by contracting your rib cage inward, one vertebra at a time without skipping any vertebrae. And the tailbone goes last. And then you press your legs down, deep breath, and exhale. We'll do this one more time. And then slowly allow yourself to come down. One vertebra at a time. Squeeze the rib cage. Take your time. And the legs go down from there. So now, right now, your pubic bone should be aiming down towards the floor. So once you take the ring off, you're in perfect alignment. So that was a rollover.